Welcome, crafty people. It is Manic Monday, and boy, has it been a day. Let me tell you something. I'm not going to tell you about it. It's on my regular Facebook. Anyhow, I did have some adventures this past weekend that I would like to tell you about. And I'm back to the laptop format just because, um, well, it's easier to upload from there and I can still use my phone. If I do the recording on my phone and upload it to YouTube that way, it takes hours and hours and hours. So I think I'm set up okay. I'm going to share with you what I did. And most of it was Saturday. Yeah. Um, Sunday was pretty uneventful, and um, Friday, I went into the post early, did some stuff there. And then I came home and thought I was going to get up in the art room, but it didn't happen. So there's that. All right. So where did I start? Yard sailing. I was headed to two um, vendor fairs, but they were a little drive. So on my way there, I found a yard sale. And I found at the yard sale a bunch of books. I want to just, this is all nursery collection. But look at the beautiful art. And how thick is that? There's a lot of gorgeous, images in there. And that's only one, though. Here is The Night Before Christmas. Even though the jacket is a mess, still has some very pretty art in there. And the black and whites are nice too. Um, Tomorrow, Adventures in an Uncertain World. And this is all animal gorgeousness. Animals in Winter. This looks pretty old. You can usually tell if you can't find the date. Uh, the graphics are printed in like what do you call that? Uh, Screen printing, and it's usually only 2 to 3 colors. So this has black and white and brown, and it's from 1963. So I don't know about you, but I'm a sucker for a good tree. And there's some deer and foxes and a cute little bunny. And the golden mother goose. I mean, right there is beautiful. It says 115 childhood favorites. Usually you can't miss with a golden book, anywho. So that all those books were from the yard sale, and then I got 3 of this size wood. They have the hangers on the back. I'll just paint something over them. These are about, I don't know, 10 by 10. 9 by 9. So I got 3 of those and a bigger one here. There's something stuck to the hanger. So Yeah, I'll paint something on that. That's a solid board. The other ones were 3 little boards put together. This is a solid board and it's quite large. Let's see, 11 by 16. So I got the 4 pieces of wood and the 3, 4, 5 books for $5 at that one yard sale. And then my next stop, trying to get some of this out of the way. My next stop was, the Crossroads Methodist Church. That's in Sanford, Maine, and that is at the intersection of New Dam Road and 202. So that was amazing. I got it's heavy. Oh, I did not pay that price. My books are going everywhere. That's another bummer about this. It's hard to edit on the laptop, so it's a continuous, you get what you get when I'm taping on the laptop. I'll show you this beautiful bowl. Look at that. I'm going to attempt to make a bird bath, I think, with that. It's gorgeous. It's very, very heavy. It's over a 1/2 inch thick all the way around. And it is my casa. Okay. At the same sale, I got these. I think I paid $2 for these. They are Skechers brand. They remind me of, excuse me, the LL Bean slippers that I got a little bit more rubber on the bottom, but pretty much the same gist. And they had yard sale tables outside and crafty vendors inside. So this was all outside. Oh, and then the other thing was I got another purse. I'm not really, I mean, that's blue leather. The brand I'm not really familiar with. Um, Tignanello blue leather. I mean, it's in wicked good shape. And I did pay $10 for that. I just got that and Klein, and it came with a little wallet that I thought was going to be okay. I've had it for about a week and so I picked up this wallet there too. I needed more slots for cards and stuff, so I picked that up to go that purse. Excuse me. And then the other tables on the left side were all the church tables itself, and that was basically make a donation. So there weren't any huge ticket items that I picked up, but got a cute, these are Disney decals, like princess. I'm not familiar with the princesses, but I have a bunch of Disney stuff I'm going to be making journals out of, so I picked them up. And this is also Disney, 4 of the same. Lady and the Tramp sticker books. So between the art and the stickers, I've got 4 of them. So That's pretty good. And these are curtains, but I'm not going to be used. I just liked the fabric with all of the coffee motifs. Right there. So the bottom has a different fabric along the bottom, but I liked the coffee motif and the colors, brown and a little bit of teal and turquoise in there. Perfect. There was 2 panels of that. 3 Disney VHS, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Lady and the Tramp. And I'm not 100% sure of the function of this tool. Is it a coffee press? It's not a garlic press. I have a garlic press and a like a lime juicer for drinks, lemon juicer. Is this for canning preserves or is it a coffee press? I don't know, but I think it's useful. So, um, if you know exactly what it is, hit me in the comments and let me know. Thank you. So that was it. Oh no, this one more for the church bazaar. I redid my countertops in Florida. Not the same product, but it's a 2-part thing. And this color was gray, I believe. So um, white tint base or ultra white. And I have plenty of pigments if I want to tint it anyway. But I was thinking it might come in handy on a canvas in my art room, or I just picked up a wooden dry sink to use as a, what do you call it? Plant potting station in the garage for my daughter-in-law, and it's unfinished wood on the top right now, and this would be nice to protect the wood and make it easier to clean up afterward. All right, so that was the church bazaar. Next was on to the Bow. They had their annual spring vendor fair at the Bow, and I think that's in Lyman, sorry, Lyman. It used to be called the Funky Bow. Now it's just the Bow. It is an outdoor beer garden that allows dogs, and it's quite. I love the concept. I love the concept, but getting in and out is a challenge, and parking anytime they're doing an event with entertainment or like the vendor, parking was a challenge. A lot of walking to get back to where the event is. If you have to park way that away. And I did pick up 2 things. Rustam barbecue sauces. And this is a barbecue rub. And I talked to a couple wooden people who crafted with wood, carvers, I guess you could say, asking for small but heavy paperweights. They didn't have any, but I gave her an idea, so there's that. And it's so funny because I think I showed you, I bought some new glass stuff to be desk accessories, and I bought one of these as a paperweight, and this woman had a whole bunch of these. Whoop. different designs, different chains. Some of them had little crystals hanging on them. So, I mean, how cute is that? To propagate plants or air plants or to help, like when you have to grow some roots from a clipping. So I got two of those. I got this green one, or it's bluish green. And clear. And I was kind of looking, I got the one with the little nubbies there, a little decorative. But I didn't get any of the crystals, but anywho, I just love them. I love the old nostalgic vibe of them, and they're heavy and rugged. Those were from Brianna Alexander, and she is in Shapley. I don't know if there's a business name. I just got the square receipt through my email, and there. Oh, here's a card. Brianna Alexander, planty artist, planterns, terrariums, eclectic vessels, and more. She is on Instagram. Tibba Love, TIBBALOVE, Instagram.com/Tibba Love. If you're interested in any of her stuff, go for it. And I was going to go, um, looked really good. The Two Sisters at Sweet Meadow, and it was in Durham. And after I got done walking too much at the Bow, I put it in the GPS as I was pulling out, and it was over an hour away, and I just said, no, I think I'm done. So I called it a day and came home. So that was my Saturday. And I'm very happy with all of the lovely things that I found. Um, and I always like I love it if you're doing an event and you create a Facebook event for on your page, or even if you're just a person and you're having a yard sale, you can still create an event on Facebook, and that helps everybody like it and follow it so that when the date comes, it's there to remind everybody the address and when it's happening, when it starts, when it ends, yada yada. If you just do a post, they get lost, people can't find you. So please take that to heart, create an event so people can keep track of their events and they won't miss your funness. So that is my Manic Monday. Uh, Not exactly this Monday that I had planned, but um, anyway, I went to see the doctor, and we're waiting to see what happens next. Hopefully, all is good. So, craft on. Oh, I did go to the Dollar Tree too after church yesterday, and just picked up some more crafty things. I'm ready. I'm ready to get upstairs and make some journals. And I also have a bunch of art that's done that I need to put the hangers and the backs on. I do have one on display at the AMVETS Post in Sanford. If you'd like to go see that, let me know. Other than that, please make something gorgeous today and have a fantastic week. Take care. Bye.